Are you having trouble taking clear and sharp photos? Try using autofocus and optimize this feature to perfection. Welcome to our tutorial on maximizing the autofocus capabilities of the Canon EOS R8. Turn on your Canon EOS R8 and attach your preferred RF lens. For this tutorial, we'll assume you're using a lens with at least an f1. 2 aperture to take full advantage of the camera's low-light capabilities. Press the menu button on the back of your camera, then navigate to the AF menu using the directional pad or touchscreen. Choose the AF method best suited for your scenario. For moving subjects, select Servo AF for continuous tracking. Tap on the AF area selection button, located on the rear shoulder of the camera, to choose the autofocus area. For subjects that move unpredictably, select the Zone AF or Large Zone AF for a broader area of focus. Within the AF menu, ensure that Eye Detection AF is enabled to automatically focus on subject's eyes, perfect for portraiture and capturing expressive details. For fast-moving subjects, adjust the AF sensitivity. This option is available in the AF menu and allows you to control how quickly the camera responds to changes in the subject's distance. Make a few test shots to ensure your autofocus settings are optimized for your subject. Adjust as necessary based on the results. And there you have it. With these steps, you've unlocked the full potential of the Canon EOS R8's autofocus system, ready to capture stunning, sharply focused images in any situation.